If the power goes out, and it does frequently, the hot water heater that services the king bathroom does not automatically turn on. That means that you need to manually turn the hot water heater on, or call David and he'll come over and he'll turn it on for you. It's not difficult. I've made this video to show you what to do. You start here at the king end of the driveway and go down and around. The rumbling on the left is probably the iguana that lives under the deck. And come in past the water pump and over to here. Now, it's on right now, but this button right here in the middle, the on-off switch, turns it off. And this is how you'll find it if the power does go out, and just simply come down here and press that on-off button. Comes right back on and you're back in business. Good luck.